got a Silk'n AutoTwist automatic hair curler and would love to create beach waves just like this. If that's you, then stay tuned to my video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this beautiful beach wave look using the Silk'n AutoTwist and a pair of straightening irons. Hi and welcome back. I hope you're all okay. Today I'm going to be doing another video for you. Today I'm going to be doing beach waves using the Silk'n AutoTwist. I have got other videos on here if you're new to the AutoTwist, so there are other videos both on my YouTube channel and obviously on my IGTV where you can actually see different hairstyles with the AutoTwist, how to create really nice curls and different styles using an automatic curler, which is really simple. However, quite a few people messaged me asking if you could actually do beach waves with the Silk'n AutoTwist. In theory, no, you can't because of the way the hair is wrapped around the inside of the barrel. I've been playing around and actually devised a way where you can still create beach waves. First by curling your hair with the AutoTwist and then going through the ends with some straighteners just to straighten out those ends, and that will give you the beach wave effect that you would like. Now I've already prepared most of the hair and I'll just show you how I've done it. So at the back here you can see I've curled going in alternate directions. So just swapping over the way that the hair is going to give you that real nice beach waved effect. So for those of you that haven't seen how the AutoTwist works, I'll demonstrate exactly how to use it, how to get the best curl, and then when I've finished I'm going to show you how to create those beach waves. So I'm just taking my next section. I've just got a couple more sections to do so I can show you how to use it. So if you're looking at yourself in the mirror, I'll do it as if I'm doing my own hair. You hold the opening of the AutoTwist facing forward. Now the rotator goes in both directions. So the left button rotates to the right and the right button rotates to the left. So when you want the hair to go away from your face at the beginning of your first section, you're going to place it in the side that's nearest to your face, and you're going to press the left button so it rotates round to the right. Now, when you're holding it to your head, the easiest way to remember that is that it's the button that's nearest to your face, and that's going to take it in the right direction. So if you just watch, you can see that it's actually rotating round to the right. All of the hair is going through into the AutoTwist and it's curling it round. Now when you hear that series of beeps, that means that it's finished curling, and then when the beeps finish, all you do is you just take your finger off the button and you release the hair and you get this really beautiful curl, and that is so easy to do on your own hair. So with this next section, because I'm doing alternate sections, I'm going to take it in the opposite direction. So I'm going to take my piece of hair and I'm going to place it in the opposite side to the way that it just went. So I'm going to press the opposite button. So you can see that it's now drawing the hair in that direction. Wait for the beeps, and then when the beeps finish, just release the hair. There. And then you just do the same all the way through the back. It really is really simple to use. I think the challenging thing at first for me was the coordination when you're looking in the mirror, but all you have to do is remember that the hair is going to go in the opposite direction to the way you place it initially inside the AutoTwist. So again, I'm going to go round to my right. So I'm pressing the left button and I've placed the hair in the left-hand side. And this is really good for short hair and long hair. Longer hair, you just take smaller sections. But to be honest with you, I find with my own hair, the smaller sections are better to take because you get a stronger curl. So now we've got around to the other side, I shall demonstrate on this side how we're going to get the curls go away from the face on this side, just so that you're sure you know how to do it. Ooh. So I'm going to take the AutoTwist facing forward with the gap facing forward. I'm going to place the hair in the side nearest to my head, and I'm going to press the button that's nearest to my head, and it's going to take the hair round to the left-hand side. So it's drawing the hair in, it's curling it, Then when you hear the series of beeps, when they finish, just release the finger off the button and then you can release your curl. And then I'm going to do exactly the same on the top section. So now I've finished doing my curls, I've got them going in the alternate directions, which is going to give me that really nice beach wave tousled effect. I'm just going to go through them all with a really wide tooth comb and just to break them up slightly before we then go and straighten the ends to give it that true beach wave effect. So just starting at the bottoms and combing the way up. Just gently break those curls through. And then you can just go through it with your fingers as well. So now I'm just going to go through it with the straightening irons. I'm actually using these infrared ones by Silk'n. They give even heat penetration and they're really good for dry hair, long hair, fine hair and chemically treated hair as well, because you don't get as much heat damage because you've got that infrared heated ceramic panel. And I'm just going to go through all of the ends with this and then we'll have a look when we finish. So just taking, you can take quite large sections, you don't have to section it off small, and I'm literally going to run the straightening iron straight through the ends just to straighten it off slightly. So as you can see, you've got a much softer effect. It's more of a beach wave effect. If I just turn Cindy around to the side here, you can see you've got that nice tousled, textured look from the alternate curls, but then just straighter through the ends, which gives it that really nice beach wave effect. And again through the back. And this is such an easy style to do. I mean, you could have it curly one day and then if you wanted to just wear it slightly different the following day, your curls have dropped just a little bit, then you can just run the straightening irons through the bottom of it there to give you those nice beach waves. Then I'm just going to run a little bit of product through it. I'm going to use some of the Philip Kingsley Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. You just need a very small amount of this and I'm just going to run that through just to break those curls up even more, give it a little bit more definition. So that's a really simple way of creating some nice beach waves using the Silk'n AutoTwist. For those of you that have got it and did ask me if you could create these beach waves, then this is exactly how you're going to be able to do it. If you're watching on YouTube, I will link my previous videos in at the end of this video so you can have a look and see how I created other styles using the Silk'n AutoTwist. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that I can share all of my knowledge and my tips with you guys for anything that's related to hairstyles, makeup tutorials or beauty skincare. I'm always creating lots of different videos, so if you find them interesting then please give me the thumbs up, and I know exactly which videos you like so I can create more of that content for you guys to see. If you're already subscribed to my channel, then welcome back. It's great to have you here again. I love to have your feedback on my videos, and if you have any questions, then please ask away. I will always get back to you with answers and help you if I can. If there's any other hairstyles you'd like to know or any other tips that you need to know, then please comment below and I will create some content to help you. So that's the end of my video today. I hope you found it useful. I hope you're going to go away and practice and have a go with your own Silk'n AutoTwist to create some beach waves. I'd love to know how you get on, so either leave a comment below or send me a message. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.